6.15, guys. And if you notice, those shifts were crazy. All right, fam, we have the GPace VT1 connected. This is the app. So you can see we are connected to 7 satellites. I put it up here. And let me show you this thing. So these guys have sponsored me, the GPace VT1. I'm finally dialed in on my tune. Shout out GORACEBOX. RaceBox tunes for all your S58 needs, guys. B58 needs, VR30. They are the guys to go to in Texas. So the GPace VT1, if you've heard of a Dragy, this is a new competitor that is actually more accurate, all right, guys? So I will drop a link in the description of the video. Let's check it out. Let's try to get some 0 to 60 and 60 to 130 times on the device, okay? So they sent me a bunch of mounting options. I have it mounted to the windshield so that it gets to a good connection on the car itself. Let's see. Let's go to drag mode. It is active, so let's see how this works, guys. You know, the first time you do anything, it's not as easy as it looks. You know, even recording these GoPro videos, you just got to do it a few times and then it's easier. Another M4 competition pulled up, beautiful blue, 25 LCI. So on the GPace app, you can select your car. There are leaderboards. Because it's new, you know, you can get up there on the leaderboards pretty quickly. This is a stock turbo car pushing 730, 750 wheel horsepower. All right, it says weak signal right now. Drag mode is on. We're not going to be able to record a 0 to 60 until we have some free room. I've seen so many cops out today. It's May 1st. I thought they'd be out yesterday for the end of the month. Maybe they got an extension. But yeah, guys, there's 2 modes, drag and track. I kind of want to hit drag when we're doing like a 60 to 130. Let's do miles per hour, 0 to 60, 60 to 130. Perfect. Distance. You can do a 1/4 mile as well, which is pretty cool. You can do all of these. I'm gonna put it to miles to feet and miles per hour because we're in America. You can select 1/4 mile if you want. We don't really need to record the 1/4 mile right now. I just want to record 60 to 130 on the highway if we get some free space. Alex, shout out Alex at GORACEBOX. He sent me some insane XHP settings. The car shifts faster than ever. Literally 5th to 6th is instantaneous. I've never felt it that way. So yeah, we'll have the 60 to 130 going. Try to drop down into 3rd for the 60 roll. All right, let's see if this will record on the 60 roll. Let's do it. Woo! 6.15, guys. And if you notice, those shifts were crazy. There's no boost reduction in between the shifts. It's just boom, boom, boom. Feels like a slingshot. So GPace, I know you guys have been waiting for this video. That was sick. That was sick. 6.15, I know we have more in it. These are not the best tires right now, and we were going uphill. So that was kind of crazy. You guys see it, 60 to 130, 6.15, 100 to 200 kilometers, 5.6 seconds there. Insane. Let's try to do that one more time, guys. Here we go. Absurd. 6.42, we were going uphill that time, so I'm gonna let it chill. That was sick. 2 crazy runs, guys. 2 crazy runs. And you can tell on those shifts, it's instantaneous. Your best runs are gonna come when you're at low altitude, on a day that's not too hot, when you have a prep surface. I'm running a hand-cooked tire, when you have the best tires possible, all of those things. So I think we could achieve like a 5.7, 5.8, 60 to 130. 6.1 is just insane. That shift is just, it just goes so smooth. Yeah, shout out GORACEBOX, shout out GPace. Oh, I can't wait to upload this video for you guys. This row of trucks. Woo! Yeah, those shifts are insane. Absurd. Also, my tire pressures. If you want the best times, you're gonna have to set your rear tires to like 27 PSI. My rear tires are like 35 right now. But 6.1 on really worn street tires, going uphill on an unprepped surface is just absurd. Full tank of gas, that is absurd. The casual left lane drivers. Chilling now, chilling. These brakes are insane. That was a M240, I think, and an M3 competition. They're still coming. That's too funny. That's Amar, guys. You saw him previously. He works at United BMW. Boy, going crazy. He's got some TEs on that thing. Let's see that. Woo! Yo, so sick. I'm going crazy. Oh my goodness. Boy, going crazy. Hello? Hello? Yo, can you hear me? I don't even know who's on the call, dude. That's too funny. Who's Nikema Williams?